In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove the ABC placeholder text in Tableau Desktop. If you're new to Tableau or just want to tidy up your worksheets, this guide will help you handle that pesky ABC text that can clutter your view. We'll go through two different methods to tackle this, so let's get started. First, let's launch the Tableau application on your computer. Once you have the app open, navigate to your worksheet where you see the ABC placeholder text. This typically appears when using dimensions, and it can sometimes be a little confusing or make your dashboards look less polished. Now there are two straightforward options to remove this text. Let's dive into the first method. Head over to the top menu and click on Analysis. Within the drop-down menu, look for an option that says Create Calculated Field. Select that and a dialog box will pop up. Here, we're going to name this field blank. In the query box, you simply need to type in a pair of double quotation marks, which essentially represents an empty string. Once you've done that, click OK. This new blank calculated field will now appear in your data pane. The next step is quite simple. Locate your new blank field and drag it to the text area in the marks card. This action replaces the ABC text with a blank space, effectively removing it from your view. This method works well if you frequently run into the placeholder issue and prefer a quick and reusable solution. Now moving on to the second method, which involves formatting. Right-click directly on the ABC text in your worksheet, and you'll see an option to format. Click on that to open the formatting pane on the left side of your screen. From here, you'll want to navigate to the Pane tab. Within this section, you should see a drop-down menu for text colors. Select the white color option from the drop-down. By doing this, you're making the ABC text invisible against a white background. Afterward, to enhance this formatting further, click on the shading icon. Under the row banding section, you'll see an option called Band Size. You can decrease the size here to adjust any visible lines or borders alongside your data rows, turning the placeholder text invisible without altering any other vital aspects of your worksheet. Both methods are equally effective, so use whichever one suits your needs best. Just remember that the choice is yours based on how you want your data to be presented. I hope this tutorial helps enhance the visual clarity of your Tableau projects. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful Tableau tips and tricks. Bye for now.